Emma.
And I'm Jonah.
And today we're going to be doing a zombie makeover using these Barbie heads that you see in front of us.
We're going to be taking these beautiful Barbie heads and we're going to be flipping the script and we're going to be making them zombie and creepy.
Creepy looking.
For Halloween. So let's get right on in. What we got here is some paint, some brushes, some skizzers, some more brushes. So my first action of business
I'm gonna remove stuff.
Is going to be, I don't know if the facial features are gonna show through. Painter's taping up her eyebrows because I don't know how to make eyebrows.
I like art, something I do.
Yeah, I'm not thinking I'm gonna win this. Here's one eyebrow done.
I think I'll just end up painting over this, actually. Do you think this would work on her, or would it be too liquidy?
It'll work.
Okay, let's see. Ooh.
Shake well before you.
It's fine if she looks like she's melting a little bit. Texture.
I'm trying to survive this. I feel like I'm gonna die.
Watch your language. We can get demonetized.
I feel like I'm gonna not live anymore if I breathe
He's
that.
gonna be non-existent.
But I'm thinking about doing less. No eyebrows for me.
I'm just painting mine white as a base to start.
It's gonna be uneven. Gonna do a thick coat so it like drips down, you know, right there.
So I'm doing this along the whole body, and then I'm gonna have one side of it be kind of different from the other side. So.
Yeah, Emma and I kind of had the same idea for everything here. So that's a pickle.
Well, I'm sure they'll look super different at the end. They'll look fine.
See, look at how porous that is. I'm mixing up a little bit of paint so I can like paint this.
I'm gonna do some sick contouring.
Okay.
Just see what I can do.
I'm making a sort of dark purpley red. See. It's gonna be that. That's gonna be the music we got. Also, I'm using metallic paint. It's not very metally, but you know.
Now I'm gonna paint inside the cracks, if I can.
I am right now painting in the eyes, and since I'm doing a thin layer, then it'll dry fast, and then I can paint some more stuff. Now I have this red powder.
Yummy, yummy red stuff.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw it at it and hope something works.
Ooh. Oh, that looks cool. Gonna make the cracks look super cool. And now we move on to the next step, which is making like one of these halves kind of orangish. So I'm gonna do that.
That worked. The face is a little unsymmetrical.
It's fine.
I've seen worse eyebrows on real people.
I've seen tattooed brows that look crazy. Ah!
She kind of looks like a stain with a bit of Cheeto dust. Check it out, Cheetos. Alright, I'm gonna make this side into a copper robot.
Looks a little whack. This eye, I don't know how it's black. I did not paint it black, I don't think. I'm mixing together red and black over here. Trying to make some bloodshot eyes. Sorry, I'm not in frame, but it's a very delicate process.
See how she's got oil over here? I might make her bleed orange over here. I'm sorry, leak orange over here.
Goops together, you know?
You goop together.
Using this pencil, it might give me a more precise thing. just make make her hair look a little rowdy. She's already just had, she's just a mess. So I mean, like, why not make her a mess?
She's had a breakdown.
She woke up, she didn't do her hair. Big issue, first off. Then she got hit by a train, and then a tractor ran her over.
Look, it's strawberry sauce.
Okay, I'm just gonna...
I like how everything in the first episode is referenced for, like, the entire show.
No!
Real viewer hours.
Oh my gosh, look at all the hair and stuff in this. I was convinced to paint this. Let's just say like she was dead and it was like her funeral and she was buried in a dress, I guess. And now this is
reasonable. I like it. Zombie bride.
Yeah, okay. That's it. I'm done.
It's like fabric paint.
Whoa! It really does work. Look at that.
Oh, I can top some of that.
Strong.
Now I feel like I'm gonna die. It smells like a little dangerous. All I'm saying. Just a touch. Wow, I'm impressed.
Yeah, super good.
Oh no.
She looks like a stone statue now. It's fine.
Oops. I'm thinking a necklace.
Try it however you want.
I mean, you could still kind of make out. It just looks freaking crazy.
These are our completed looks. So make sure you vote in the comments and in the little eye known as the card. It's over there, actually.
Over there.
I always get it wrong. But,
For which one you liked better?
Yeah, mine is, one half of it is a copper robot that is leaking oil all over the place. It's got cool rivets. The other half of it is just kind of like maybe like a porcelain.
Does it taste like pennies?
Porcelain type doll, or maybe like this is skin over the copperness.
Mine is supposed to be like a bride that is dead, like that one movie and like everything you've ever seen that's by Tim Burton. Everything where it's like a girl, wedding night, you know, not alive anymore.
Bride of Frankenstein, Corpse Bride, all that
and
stuff.
then, you know, it comes up and then it's like, oh no, I'm in a pickle.
What I like about Jonah's is all the cool veins and how there's a lot of stuff going on in the face, and I like how that looks.
There's a lot of
I
stuff.
like all the cool veins on the chest. All right, hope you enjoyed Spooky Day 1. Tune in next week for Spooky Day 2, where we do a Mimi Choi from Instagram look.
There also might be other videos that are spooky because we like the spooky time, and those videos do well, so.
Thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
I think the rectangles are over here. Click those to watch our videos, which you know. Click that circle to subscribe, and hit the bell, even though it doesn't work.